How to use Webtoon application. Hello everyone, in this video, in these tutorial videos, I will show you how to use Webtoon application in the correct way and the easiest way. So let's start. So first you have to open your Webtoon. For example, me, I already have account. It's easy to create an account, just you will add your email, your password, something like this. And then you will come here. This is like the home page. In here, originals, where you can find series. Here you will find like your profile, for example, your recent series that you read or you doesn't read, then subscribe it, downloads, unlock, creators, comments, everything. Here on this 3 point, come to your settings, and on your settings right here you will find everything. For example, if you want to change the language, you will change it from here. You want to change the theme or the mood of the application, you can change it from here. For example, if you forget your password, you can reset it from here, and everything. And how to read the series. For example, this, I will just click on it. Here I can subscribe on the creator if I want, and share. For example, this is the episode number 1. I will come to just to this episode, click on it, and what's next, I will just scroll, and then that's how this application works. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.